Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got another Amazon unboxing here. I'm going to show you guys what's in the box, but before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to my current subscribers. Thank you all for the likes, the subscribes, comments, all the interaction with the channel. It always helps out. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always helps out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and post affiliate links so you guys can pick those up and wear them for yourself. They are affiliate links, so they do not change the price. You pay what the price is. The only difference is I make a small commission if you decide to use those links, and that is very much appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into the box and show you guys what came from Amazon Prime today. Let's get this here. Okay, let's see what we got in the box. Looks like we've got Seiko, Invicta, and a Seiko. This feels kind of light. Okay, so we've got a Seiko, Invicta, and a Seiko. This is a brand I've wanted to check out, so I'm going to go with the Seiko. Let's see what we've got here. All right. Okay, comes with the watch on a pillow pad, a cleaning cloth, looks like an extra bracelet or band, a key tag showing that the MSRP is $680. It's got a tool for resizing and the guarantee card. So that's what's in the box. Then we've got the watch itself, which is pretty well packaged in bubble wrap. And alright. Okay, looks like you have to size the band. You'd cut off whatever you didn't need, and then when you open this up, you pull the pin out, and the pin will rest in the groove. So that will be how you size it. The pin will actually sit in that groove, much like this one here. So you actually have to cut the band. I think that's probably why they give you two, so you can have two different sizes, or if you make a mistake or whatever. I'm not going to go into resizing it right here on the video, but I'm just going to go over this a little bit. My first impression, I actually really like the watch. I think it's a nice looking watch. It's a great watch. It's not a bad price on this watch. Believe it or not, you can pick this watch up on Amazon right now for about $85 to $90 on Amazon. I really do like the orange. It's really sharp with the silicone band. The watch itself it's got a hardlex crystal with a Japanese quartz VD35 VD53 movement, and it is 50 meters of water resistance. So it's a nice watch with a good quality quartz movement. It is the date format watch. It does have a screw down crown, so you have to unscrew it in order to set it. But wonderful watch. It's very nice looking watch for the price. Very nice quality. Everything feels good on it. Setting the date is nice. Setting the time is also nice and smooth. It's a great great quality watch all around, especially for the price. I'm gonna have to say this is a nice watch. I will definitely recommend this watch as far as a budget-friendly watch. Very sharp looking. So Specked&Son, yes, definitely thumbs up on that. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Here we had an Invicta. So maybe we'll get into the Invicta next, and let's see here. Then we'll do the Seiko last. Okay, so Invicta with their signature yellow box. All right, this is a very big watch. I can see that already. This has a price tag, MSRP, of $795. Right now, this watch is available on Amazon for about 90 bucks. $90, so that's a significantly lower price. But I will have to say, right off the bat, this watch is enormous. It is just gigantic. It is very close in similarity to this black Invicta that I have here. Very, very big. Looks like almost using the same case, maybe, with a different bezel on the front. But it is a very nice turning bezel. No back play in it whatsoever. It is a really nice, sharp looking watch. The only thing with this watch, like I said before, it is very, very big. It's a big watch, so you will need a big wrist in order to sport this watch. This is another Invicta also here. If you know about Invicta, you know their watches are very, very large. This does have the white silicone strap with the gold colored inserts. They're actually metal. Very nice built watch. I really do like these Invicta watches. They are really, really nice watches. All the Invicta watches are great. They have great quality for a really, really good price point. This is the Invicta Pro Diver 23424. It does have the Japanese quartz VD53 movement as well. Same movement as the Specked&Son. So they're both with the Japanese quartz VD53 movements. White silicone with the gold inserts on the band. The flame fusion crystal that Invicta is famous for. Very, very nice, heavy watch, big, heavy, bulky watch. So if you're not into bulky watches, you'll probably want to pass on this one. Me, I like the bigger watches. This one does kind of push the limit even for me. It is a very, very big watch. But once again, you've got that Invicta quality. It's just a very, very nice watch. So I am going to have to say that's also a win there. That Invicta watch is really, really nice. And like I said before, I will be posting links to all of these in the description below, so you can actually head on over and pick these up for yourself if you want. The next watch we're going to have in this haul is going to be the Seiko. This is a Seiko 5 from the Seiko 5 Sports Collection. You guys know, if you've seen my channel, if you've seen my other videos, that I am a big, big fan of my Seiko watches. These guys are always great. There hasn't really been many times that Seiko has let me down. They have let me down a couple of times, but mainly for styling and things like that. But this is a $335 MSRP watch. Right now, this watch is available on Amazon for $220. So let's see what you get for $220. You got the warranty cards here. This does feel pretty light, this watch. I'm gonna have to say that. It does feel like it's a lighter watch. So let's see what we've got going on in the box. Same thing, instruction manual online. It's got the foam pad. And, yeah. No, I don't really like these canvas straps. I didn't realize it when I bought it that this thing had a canvas strap. But anyhow, let's take a good look at it and see what it's like. It is a sports watch, so At least it's not a NATO strap, so I can deal with that. It's actually very nice. Now, this is yeah, it says $335. So yeah, the canvas strap's not too bad. I just don't care for those NATO straps. This one also has the exhibition case back on it. Very, very nice. I love it when they have the exhibition case backs. This is really light. I'm wondering what kind of material they used for this watch. It does look like it has the curved, you can feel it. It's got a curved hardlex crystal on it. It has this watch is actually 100 meters of water resistance on this thing. Very, very bright orange on these markers, indices, and on the hands. Very, very nice. It is the day date format. There's no additional subdials or buttons. It's just a very plain, simple looking sports watch. I'm gonna have to say this is a go. I like this watch. And like I said, I'm not a huge fan of these canvas straps, but this is a really sharp looking strap. It's even got like it feels like leather on the inside of this. So it's canvas on one side and it's leather on the other side. Stitched very well. Very, very good quality on this band. I do like that bubbled hardlex crystal. You can kind of see it there. You can kind of see how it's curved. Very, very nice. Very nice watch. Like I said, this is the SRP H33 from the Seiko 5 Sports Collection. 335 MSRP and around 220 bucks on Amazon right now. Does have the caliber 4R36 automatic Japanese Seiko movement, day date format, exhibition case back, and the curved hardlex crystal with 100 meters of water resistance. I'm gonna have to say this is a go. This is a beautiful watch, guys. So if you're looking for a great simple looking sports watch from Seiko, this is gonna be something you guys are gonna want to check out. It's just very, very nice with the matte black finish and those very heavy orange markers and indices. Just very, very nice watch all around. Everything moves nice on it. Very smooth, just like Seiko quality. Like I said, the day date format. Just really, really nice watch. So I'm gonna have to say again, guys, there's 3 great watches here for good prices. You've got the Spectre Sewn here for 85 bucks. You've got an Invicta Pro Diver meant for the larger wrist for right around $90, and then you've got the Seiko 5 from the Seiko 5 Sports Collection, the SRPH 33 for $220. All great watches. Like I said, we'll be posting links to all of these in the description below, so you guys can head on over and check them out. And like I said, they are affiliate links, so they do send a small commission over to me if you decide to buy them, and that is very much appreciated. So once again, thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are awesome. I appreciate all the thumbs up, liking, subscribing, all the interaction with the channel. It always does help out. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of these watches and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick those up if you want. And until next time, I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here. You guys all have a great week.